us, differentiates us from others, makes us unique in every way. But once we bring those colors together, it makes us very colorful. Our first speaker is a young boy who is going to be taking you on a journey around the world because he's telling us about the colors of the world. Please put your wonderful hands together for Diligent Daniel.
Have you ever thought what makes each and every one of us special? One big thing is our culture. Today, I'm going to be taking you on a journey through different cultures in the world. Firstly, let's start with our country, Nigeria, where we find many beautiful cultures in different tribes. First, we have the Yoruba culture. The Yoruba culture is full of art, music, and dance. They have a traditional instrument called the talking drum. They celebrate festivals like the Osun Osogbo, where people gather around and honor their ancestors with songs and rituals. Next, let's move to the Igbo culture. The Igbo culture is one of the largest groups in Nigeria. They speak a certain language called the Igbo language and mostly live in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Though they live in different villages, they share many traditions. Now, let's move to my culture, the Tiv culture. The Tiv people are great farmers. They have a beautiful black and white cultural attire like what I'm putting on right now. They have a marketplace where everyone gathers and hears things like announcements. Now, let's travel outside the world to the east of Africa, where we find the Maasai culture. The Maasai culture is known for their bright red clothing and beautiful beadwork. Their traditional dance is not just a way of celebration, but another way to connect to the ancestors. One big thing we can learn from the Maasai culture is their deep respect for nature. Let's move to the east of Asia, where we find India. The Indians have festivals like the Bharatayam and the Kathak. They have a certain festival called the Diwali festival, which is filled with colors and joy. Now, with all this that I have said, we can see that we learn from all the cultures, not just their traditions, but their values like respect, unity, and their deep respect for the world. Thank you.